guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So over the course of the next few videos you're going to see on this amp, I'm going to go through different guitars. Now my review video and initial demo, check it out. It's going to show you what the Les Paul is like. And so this video is going to be the takeoff spin of the next few, where today we're going to use a Strat, and then we'll do another video with the Telecaster. I've got a Strat that has triple humbuckers in it, and then I've got a couple other guitars. So you get a bass sound of what this thing is going to be like as a tube amp with no other effects. We're just running the straight head, clean channel, and the dirty channel, and the dirty channel also has a boost. And we will go through the different pickup configurations in the guitars, so you get an idea of the tonal range of those particular pickups, etc. Type of thing. So today we're going to start with a standard Stratocaster. Now this has been upgraded with Alnico 4 pickups that I picked up for it. And you know, I got to be honest, I mean, I like my Strat and all, but this amp just made me fall in love with the Strat. I did a bit of a play for the first time with the Strat on this amp just before doing this video, and I got to tell you, now I really love my Strat. So that's kudos right there. That's like big brownie points for this amp, because I haven't even found a solid state amp or even a hybrid amp that worked really well with my Strat for the kind of tone I want to hear, and this thing does an amazing job. So let's get started here. So we're going to start, of course, on the bridge and work our way up, and this is the clean channel. I should mention, I'm going to leave the controls exactly where they are on both. I'm at 3 o'clock on the master volume, 12 o'clock on the gain on the clean, and on my lead channel, gain is at 12 and master is at 12. Bass, middle, and treble are all at 12 o'clock. For a cab is a Trainer 1x12, which was originally a Trainer Block 100 amp, and I took the amp guts out because they were shot, and it left a sealed cab in return, which is great. I still may port this cab yet, but it does have a single 12 in it, so it's kind of nice, and it's at 8 ohms. So let's go bridge and middle. Okay, now over to the high gain channel, starting with the regular, just gain mode. 18 watt mode on the amp. It's the only mode I'm going to use for this. Okay, let's put that lead boost on. This really makes this amp wail out. Starting at the bridge. So there's our Fender Stratocaster with Alnico 4 pickups. I like it. I think it's really good. It actually really sounds awesome through the PA too. If you know anything about the Hughes and Kettner TubeMeister and their other amps too, they have this red box DI system in it where you can just plug a standard mic cable in and go to a 1/4-inch jack line source, or XLR to XLR and switch to line source for going into a PA with direct, which is awesome because then you get the pure voice of the amp itself through your PA versus through a cab, and you can play both at the same time too, which is kind of nice. So anyways, that concludes the Stratocaster. So stay tuned for the following videos with the different guitars, and we'll just keep going through. And by all means, check out the demo review, the unboxing, etc. And we'll see you on the next one. See ya.